Hey there friends, Andrew here. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Black Beauty tomato. This variety is really unique and visually striking. I mean, just look at the thing. It's known for its almost black color thanks to the high levels of anthocyanins. Now, I know that's a boring word, but basically it means antioxidants, the same beneficials you find in blueberries. But this tomato isn't just about looks. It has a rich, smoky flavor that's complex and layered, balanced sweetness with acidity, and no wonder it's a favorite among both chefs and home gardeners. Now let's go over some key points. Disclaimer. Growing conditions can vary significantly based on factors such as location, soil type, health, and time of year. Also local pests. They can even vary from year to year in the same spot. The comparisons made in this video are based on 3 types of tomatoes that were all grown together in the same bed. This will minimize variables. Well, it did minimize variables. Results differ in other settings, so consider local factors when applying this information to your own garden. If you would like some of these seeds, become an early member of this channel for just 99 cents and get over 20 varieties of home-saved seed every year. At the time of making this video, I only have a handful of subscribers, and a lot of you like each one of my videos. You all rock! Growth and cultivation. Intermediate growth habit. Black Beauty tomatoes keep growing and producing fruit throughout the season until there's frost, giving you an extended harvest period. In my experience, the plants had 2 main production waves. A large initial harvest that lasted a couple of weeks, followed by a short lull, and then a smaller rebound harvest tomatoes the end of August. They're actually still growing in the back right now. The yield. Compared to other varieties I grew, Auriga from Rare Seeds, the Black Beauty produced fewer tomatoes. 2 plants provided more fruit than I could eat. The tomatoes ranged from baseball to softball sized. Soil and sunlight. No different from other tomatoes that I can tell. They thrive in well-drained, fertile soil and require full sun exposure to enhance their dark color and maximize the fruit production. Disease resistance. Like most heirlooms, they are susceptible to common tomato diseases, so proper care and prevention measures are essential. I didn't encounter any diseases or pests this year, but this could be luck. Flavor and uses. I expected all these to be darker all over, but I noticed that mine were mostly half purple and half green until they ripened, with the green slowly turning pink. It wasn't a bad trait, just different from what I expected. These tomatoes have a savory taste, balancing sweetness and tanginess with a hint of something else, maybe smoky or earthy hints. What's noticeable is that they don't have the strong tomato flavor typical of classic heirlooms, but they're versatile. I enjoyed them all season long, sliced in my salads, made salsa. They're great for fresh eating, sauces, and even canning because of their robust flavor and meaty texture. Nutritional benefits. These are high in antioxidants, thanks to the anthocyanins. These tomatoes may offer more nutritional benefits than the standard red varieties, particularly in vitamins A and C. I haven't sent it in for a nutritional panel, but if you would like to see lab values on future videos, consider becoming a member of this channel. It is with those funds I will be able to get tests that will show the gardening world the nutritional differences between varieties. Pruning and support. Regular pruning is necessary to prevent excessive leaf coverage, which can limit airflow, shade out fruits, compete for nutrients, and make harvesting challenging. Watering and fertilization. Consistent watering and the use of balanced fertilizers are key to preventing fruit splitting and maintaining healthy growth. This year, I started with a crabgrass lawn, added 3 inches of compost, manure, and then sprinkled rock dust. Then a few applications of fish fertilizer. Many gardeners report widespread splitting, cracking in the tomatoes, but I didn't, at least not with the first round of harvest. I did not notice that. The arugula tomato was more prone to splitting, especially towards the end of the season. Now, seed saving. These tomatoes did not produce many seeds, for me anyway. If you plan on saving seed, be sure to save at least 2 or 3 ripe tomatoes. That should give you plenty to grow next year and even some to share with some of your friends. I noticed that these matured later than the other varieties that I had grown, Auriga and Jetstar. This could mean that it matures later than normal, or that Auriga matures early. Keep in mind that this may mean nothing at all. This variety was a favorite amongst my family, and I am excited about growing them again in 2025, along with Cherokee and other varieties. Let me know in the comments if you have grown this plant either this year or in the past, and what you were planning on growing next year. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell.